Good morning, class. For today's short lecture, we'll be doing some PYQs for geography. So, solving PYQ is extremely important to be able to solve the paper and to eventually be succeed in CTS, NDA, or AFCAT. So, PYQs or previous year questions play a crucial part because they're often repeated. So, last year's PYQ might be getting asked in this time, and this year's questions will be asked next time. So, PYQs also help you gain knowledge of what kind of question gets asked or how to tackle the question. So let's start. So we have here, which one of the following is a tributary of Barak River in Manipur? So is it Bhaleshwari, Subansiri, Dhansiri, or Manas? So it's very easy here. So the easiest way to tackle this is, look at here. So we have here Dhansiri and Subansiri and Manas. So all three are tributaries of Ganga, right? Whereas Dhaleswari is not tributary of Brahmaputra. Since Dhaleswari is not tributary of Brahmaputra, we can say the answer here will be A, Dhaleswari. Similarly, we have considered the following statements about Karevas. These are the lacustrine deposits of Pleistocene period. These are found on the lower slopes of Pir Panjal, and Karevas are well known for the cultivation of saffron, almond, and walnut. Right. So written here, how many of the above statement is or are correct? Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3, or is it none? So go through. So the answer here will be 3. So Karevas are lacustrine deposits of Pleistocene period, and they are found along the Pir Panjal. Also, they are very good for saffron and walnut cultivation. So you have to remember, so Karevas, so these 3 are correct point of Karevas. So it is an important here. Karevas are Pleistocene lacustrine deposit. They are found along the Pir Panjal, and they are used for cultivation of walnut and almond. Right? So it is answer 3. Okay? So we shall move on to the next question. So we can look at here. So Karevas are alluvial soil deposit Kashmir Valley. The local name is here is Wooder. So they are currently under threat due to urbanization and infrastructure development. It is situated between Pir Panjal and Great Himalaya. And see, it's written here. Say they are made of glacial clay, sand, silt, and other like stream deposits. Right. Just go through this once. So now we have here, which of the following statements about the borrower from a microfinance company is not correct? It's very important to remember here it's written not correct. So is it the borrower should not have annual income beyond the limit? The borrower should not seek loan amount beyond the limit. The borrower should not refuse to offer a collateral, or the borrower should not refuse to pay any rate of interest offered. So just think about it. So the answer here will be C. The borrower should not refuse to offer a collateral, meaning the borrower can refuse to offer a collateral in case of microfinance companies loans. So this is a question from economics. So now we come on to NBFC or non-banking financial companies. So it's written here again, which one of the following is not correct? So firstly we have NBFC cannot accept demand deposit, NBFC cannot give loan, NBFC cannot issue checks drawn on themselves, or NBFC cannot offer deposit insurance, facility of deposit insurance, and credit guarantee corporation. So think about this answer. Non-banking finance companies. So the answer here will be B. NBFC cannot give loans. They can take in demand deposits. They can keep. They can take demand deposit. They can take money, but they cannot give out loans. Right. So here we have what is NBFC. So then we have Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has revised the base year index of 8 core industries having a combined weight of about 40.27% in the index of industry weight. Which of the following is not one of the 8 core industry? Is it coal? Is it refinery? Is it rubber? Or is it cement? So what were the core industries? So refinery, coal, cement, are electricity, steel. These are all core industry. Rubber plantation is not a core industry. Hence, rubber products will not be part of the 8 core industries. So then we have stinging hair of nettle leaves inject fluid in the human body causing burning pain. The fluid is methanoic acid. Tartaric is from, and then we have hydrochloric acid, and then we have sulfuric. So stinging of nettle leaf is from methanoic acid, right? Then we have milk of magnesia is used when people suffer from indigestion because of food. It is a strong base, mild base, strong acid, or mild acid. This will be a mild base. See, if it's a strong base, again, it will be harmful for us. And acid causes discomfort in us. So it will be a mild base. This is a very easy question. So it can be solved from elimination method. As I said before, strong base will be harmful for us. Acid is as it is harmful. So it will be mild base. School bells are made of metals because metals are malleable, sonorous, ductile, or lustrous. Again, we can go through elimination. Lustrous meaning it has a shine, so this cannot be. Malleable means it can be broken. Ductile means it can be torn into strings, so it will be sonorous or it makes sounds, right? So this will be option B, sonorous. So with this, we have come to the end of our short PYQ session. And this was a GS PYQ session where we did some PYQs from chemistry, where we did PYQs from physics, from geography, from economics. In our next class, we'll be moving on to more PYQs. Do join us and thank you, class.